it's tight. Wait, here's why.
Oh.
Yep. Let's do it. He's ready. It's first time ever. Let's go. You're gonna put your face right here. Put your hands right there, like face down. Even here, you see it. It's like this side is coming this way. No good. Sacrum here. Hip bones lock in. Tailbone's at the bottom where you're sitting all day and driving. The more you sit on it, the more compressed and tight this gets. This is very tight. Turn to this side, face me. There, and going forward, I got you. You're all tight, my brother. Try and relax up here a little bit. I'm gonna bring you back. See? Nice and easy. There you go. Other side. Straighten this bottom leg out. Get this one straight. Get this one here. Get that one there. Excellent. Oof. That's good stuff, my brother.
Yeah.
See all that tension you got in that spine?
Huh?
All that tension. You're gonna put your back up against that pad. When you sit all day, he sits and drives, what, 10 hours a day? It's like crazy. It's a lot of driving. A lot of compressive forces. And the biggest thing that happens, shoulders, clavicles, sternum, ribs, diaphragm get compressed and stuck. Then his breathing is not right towards the end of his day. Feels tired, just wants to go home and sleep on, just sleep it off because he's sitting and he's not breathing correctly. And he's using a lot of energy to breathe. It's like a slight hyperventilation as you keep sitting all day. Desk workers, this happens to people who drive. Anyone who sits in one spot and compressed all day long. It's not good. So we got to reduce that pressure, tension, and stress so you can open up your diaphragm and you breathe better. Tuck that chin, look all the way down. Take a deep breath in. Roll it all the way out. Excellent. There you go. Boom. All that tension because, again, everything going forward, it's going to get tension in between those shoulder blades to hold you back up. That's not good. Your body doesn't want that, brother. That was good. That base of the skull right here. Pressure, too much pressure. Again, looking down at the phone, driving a lot, and it's very tight right there. So we are coming in, drop that shoulder. Oh, it's tight. Wait, here's why.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh. Got it, man.
Drop this right here. Oh, you need more. We're gonna go down on your back, face up. Having too much. Way too much. Put your arms and hands up here. So let's see it right there. See?
Wow.
Give me those arms and hands. I knew there was some left in there. Gotta stay open. Shoulders, clavicles, sternum, ribs. Stay compressed, that whole spine. Elongate. Put that head all the way back. Nice and relaxed. Keep your hands up here. Drop those shoulders a little bit. Just relax as much as you can. You're going to take a nice deep breath in, roll it all the way out. Wow. Stay back, keep breathing. All that compression gone. He was squashed, now he's open. That was good. And now it's breathing. Stay right there, we're not done. Gotta get those ankles, baby. Get those legs, those ankles. Open up the whole system.
Excellent. Excellent.
How you feel?
Feel a little taller.
That's well, the taller, right? The sigh of relief.
Taller and relief. Yeah.
Taller. I wish I could say adjustments make you tall. They don't make you taller.
Nah, no.
You get taller because you're used to being slumped over. All the pressure, tension, and stress is off your spine and nervous system. So now you're free to stand without any pressure on it, and you're more comfortable. Before you just used to, because you're driving and you're used to just being slumped over. Relieve that tension, boom, you stand shoulders high. You see it, you see the difference. Your head is up, your shoulders are back. That's awesome, brother. How you feel? Any pain?
Feel good.
That's awesome, brother.
There you go.
Never be afraid to get adjusted. Adjustments make you feel good. Make you move
See, my
better.
boy, you're gonna get you right, man.
That's it, brother. Make you move better, live better, and feel better. That's what adjustments do. Boom.
Yes, sir.
Awesome, brother.
Thank you, man.